Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a tool called Mentimeter for legal English teaching. It's a great tool that can be used for free by both students and teachers, and it's a nice tool to use at the beginning of a course to get students using technology, writing and interacting with each other. I've used this tool when teaching groups to make a traditional quiz a little bit more fun and a little bit more modern, and it was recommended to me by a fellow legal English teacher, Natasha Costello, who I co-presented with at the European Legal English Teachers Association workshop this year in 2019. In this workshop session, we presented various activities for teaching the important soft skill of small talk, including how to use Mentimeter in classes. So here in this video, I will give you a brief overview of how you can use this fun and easy to use tool in your own classes. First of all, as a teacher, you should sign up for a free account on Mentimeter. Next, click Create New Presentation, enter a title, and click Create Presentation. There are many different types of presentations and quizzes you can use, but I recommend choosing open-ended. Next, type in the question you would like to ask and customize the result layout. I recommend using the flowing grid and selecting the profanity filter and allowing students to submit more than one answer. Next, you can ask students to get their phones out, go to menti.com and to enter the code given on your presentation. On the student's phone, there is no need to sign up, they just enter the code. Then they type in their answers to the question. It's a great way to teach a range of writing skills, for example, related to grammar, related to style, related to register, and of course related to terminology. These answers that the students have written will be projected on the results screen for all the class to see. The teacher does have the option to edit the answers in case there are any rude answers, and after this, these answers can be used for the basis of a discussion. So I hope you found this video useful and you've learned something. If you've got any questions, please send me an email to louise@studylegalenglish.com, or of course, if you're watching on YouTube, you can leave a comment in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get more updates on topics related to legal English. Bye.